If you don't have internet connection, maybe you're on a flight, it's nice to be able to download YouTube videos on your iPhone, Android, maybe an iPad or a computer so that you can watch those offline. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on your YouTube videos, but also if you wanted to download someone else's YouTube videos and watch those online as well. So let's jump right in. The first thing you can do is open up a web browser. And from here, you're going to just type in directly to go to studio.youtube.com. Tap on Continue in Studio. And then from here, you'll be able to see your videos at the top left by tapping on the little video icon. And there is my one random video on this channel. I can download it by tapping on the video here. And then once I tap on the video, you can see those three dots to the right. And then I can just tap on download and it will download that video directly onto my iPhone, again, Android or computer. However, let's say in this case, you wanted to download someone else's videos. So let's open up the YouTube app. Let's be able to download the videos, open up the video. Let's say this one, let me pause it real quick. Tap on the three dots next to that little star and then tap on download. You can see it says download and keep the app open to download faster. Keep in mind, if it doesn't automatically download, you don't have YouTube Premium. You need to see Premium at the top left here to be able to download this. This is a paid only feature. And now after you've downloaded it, you'll be able to see on here, it says there is that video, but I can also go to the playlist to be able to see all of those downloaded videos, or once it's downloaded, I can go directly to the downloads tab. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video and it was legitimately helpful to you, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel, maybe leaving a like on this video or a comment that it helped you. It really helps me be able to make these videos completely free to you. Thanks for watching, guys.